In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete your Ionos account. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly what you need to do so your account and data are properly removed. Before you can delete your Ionos account, there's one important requirement you have to take care of first. You need to cancel all active contracts associated with your account. This includes things like domains, hosting packages, email plans, website builders, or any other services you might have set up. Log into your Ionos customer account and go to the section where your contracts or products are listed. Take a moment to review everything you're currently using. For each active service, look for an option to cancel or terminate the contract. The wording might vary slightly, but you're basically looking for a way to end that service so it won't renew or remain active. As you go through your contracts, pay attention to any minimum terms or notice periods. Some services might not cancel immediately and could be scheduled to end at the end of a billing period. Make sure you confirm each cancellation and look for any on-screen messages or confirmation emails that tell you the contract is indeed being cancelled. It's also a good idea to make note of the end dates if they're shown. If you're unsure whether a contract is fully cancelled, double-check the product overview in your account. You want to get to the point where there are no remaining active contracts listed. This is crucial because Ionos typically won't completely delete your account if there are still services running on it. Once you've cancelled all contracts and confirmed that there are no active services left, you're ready for the next part of the process, contacting Ionos support to request the actual account deletion. I'll show you the easiest way to do this through their live chat. Open your web browser and go to the official Ionos contact page. On that page, look for the option to start a live chat session. It's usually clearly visible, often as a chat button or a small window that lets you connect with a support agent. Click to open the live chat and wait for an agent to join the conversation. When they connect, explain clearly what you want. You'll need to request a full account deletion, sometimes also called data erasure. You can write something like, I would like to request a full account deletion and data erasure for my Ionos account. The agent may ask you to verify your identity or confirm some account details just to make sure they're speaking with the account holder. Answer their questions and follow any prompts they provide. This might include confirming that all contracts have been cancelled and that you understand your data and services will be permanently removed. During the chat, you can also ask the agent how long the deletion process will take and whether you'll receive a confirmation once it's complete. It's helpful to save a transcript of the chat or take a screenshot for your records, just so you have proof of your request and any reference number they might provide. Once your request is submitted and confirmed, your job is essentially done. Ionos will process the deletion on their side, and your account and data will be removed according to their policies and legal requirements. That's the entire process for deleting your Ionos account. Cancel all your contracts first, then use the live chat on the Ionos contact page to request a full account deletion or data erasure.